Welcome to the next level of bathroom sophistication, the Bao back-to-wall toilet in matte white finish, where design meets functionality. This toilet has been specifically crafted for Australian bathrooms. With its back-to-wall configuration, the Bao toilet offers a neat, uncluttered look that's perfect for a minimalist bathroom. It's all about achieving the streamlined contemporary vibe. Engineered for excellence, the Bao toilet features a hygienic, rimless design with a powerful flush and spacious drop zone. This smart engineering minimises cleaning needs, making your life simpler and more efficient. The contemporary design features a soft-close detachable seat, crafted to eliminate hidden crevices where bacteria can thrive. The matte white finish extends across the entire suite, offering a warm, non-reflective surface that adds a touch of tranquility and style to your bathroom. Whether you're replacing your current toilet or planning a new bathroom project, the Bao back-to-wall toilet is designed for quick, easy installation with its universal back or bottom inlet, blending modern technology with versatile design. Bao Bath is synonymous with reliability and style, making it the go-to choice for homeowners who want a bathroom that stands out in both form and function, all at a budget-friendly price. Bao Bath, where elegance and practicality meet. Elevate your bathroom experience today with thebluespace.com.au.